Hey guys, we're live at 8:34, battling for Phil's Yak Face figure. It's a beaut. I got 33 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. I'm going to paste them in there, 1 through 33. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Drew, round 1. Steve, 2. Steve, 3. Drew, 4. Troy, 5. Stuart, 6. Drew, 7, which brings us, inevitably, to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Our winner is Drew, hit at number 16. Congratulations, sir. Here's the verification code, AEEKFI. Drew, in at number 16 is the champ. I'm done at 8:35. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.